Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna be tutoring you guys on how to braid a smooth bold Ghana weaving for beginners. Before you start making bold weaving, first thing you need to do is to make sure your client's hair is well relaxed or smooth before you start. Dry the hair very well to avoid breakage. Comb very well with your hot comb or any comb available.
After combing it, apply your edge control and recomb
After
again.
applying your edge control, then start picking up her front hair with a small attachment and start weaving. While adding this attachment, make sure you are cutting small hair in the hair you are weaving with your fingernails and braid smoothly. Okay guys, with this process you can be able to make a neat smooth Ghana weaving. Thank you for watching. Bye.